Says, miss my drop. Come on, I forgot jump in there. Come, big up yourself and give a shout out. Don't be shy.
Well, I know. Anyways, guys, you know it's a girl, Albania girl, J Healy. You know, y'all can hit me up on the gram at UNXQUE.
Go on.
J Healy at Remalia._.
I can swim, you know, but to save someone while you're pulling me down.
You're so drunk, so you don't know how to swim.
Yeah, so I can't swim to save myself, but I can't swim to save someone else. Because if these gonna pull me down with her,
the boat going down.
How am I gonna float like that? Eh? When it rain, yeah, when the river will come down, that's why that's how the color change, right? From now it's what blue, crystal clear. So because of the rain, because I'm planning to bring my like a bus, a load of people from down by. As a Superman. What the great river! Yeah! 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 Silver!
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them me like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Well, dream team, one team. You know, I'm here now. We're in St. Toulis, you know, we come check out a river down by in Clarendon, because I'm telling you, we want to take the members them when they go on a river trip. So, well, guess what? Imagine we reach here and it start rains. You know? Yeah, reach the start rain, so we gotta go through the rain flex. So we gotta check it out. So,
It's like there's a picnic here.
yeah. Mark, you good?
I'm good.
So we have Mark here. Just watch your step, yeah? So, yeah. So you have some people over here like them have them picnic and everything. Okay, so imagine it's raining now. Raining in Georgia. Oh. Okay. It deep? The man said it deep.
You never go yourself to the swimming area.
What? Right is so deep? Like me now, so like how me tall now, which part could I reach me?
I reach at deep, see me. I can't swim, so.
Yeah. Well, is it so deep?
I can't swim. I can't swim, I can't leave this guy.
What, right in here, so?
Right.
Yeah. Deep.
I can't depth. I can't depth on this side. I'm over this one.
Oh.
Yeah, swimmer. I leave that one.
Oh. So
deep where you can say you cannot bottom.
You cannot bottom it.
It's not so deep that you say
okay.
You cannot bottom it.
Or you can still bottom
Right.
it.
But for me with my height, I can't stand up there, so? Oh, okay. So but them place are good.
Yeah, man, you look on that side over there.
And what Dongmore, what about Dongmore? Good. Okay.
So that's not for me.
Yeah. They can go up the
We
river.
have to jump in. We can't just live like that.
Why you wanna test this one? Cause remember we have the next
I
river.
want to put on my bra bikini and just be in for a while as it rains.
Cause the next place is official as well too, you know.
Huh?
The next place, we can check out the next place as well where you can swim there and here where you can just look here.
And here?
Yeah. There you have changing room and everything at the next one.
Oh, okay. Me, I don't need a changing room.
No.
I know how to do it professionally. Yeah, we have to swim here and swim on the next one as
You
well.
can swim?
Huh?
Can you swim?
You can?
You can swim? So who are gonna save you? Rafi, I gonna save her?
Kina is here.
Yeah, I am here. I'm gonna never bring the life jacket for you, D. Mark can swim?
I can't swim.
Mark can swim.
You can swim?
I'm good for the kids spot over there.
That's where we are going to swim.
Hey, so Ratty, over that side, in there, so. What about in there, so? Rasta man, me a minute now. Because you see my friend, she's all the way from Kenya, you know. You know, the motherland. So you know, say we want to make it. Yeah.
Much more deeper than that side.
So over that corner, over there, so.
Right, Panabala.
Yeah,
So
so.
if I swim here, I'll bottom. I can stand here.
Right.
So what about?
Anyway, from that side to that side, you're balanced. You're coming this side.
Yeah. So what about over that side? So?
You're balanced.
The balance. Okay. And up there, you're good.
Right.
Well, yeah, so.
Time I need to know. I can swim, but I'm not too confident.
Not too confident. If you want to swim here, it's no
I
problem.
want to jump from here to.
It look nice, but you can't stand up. You can't stand up. If you can't swim it good.
I want to professionalize. I know, but I'm always confident in a pool more than a river or a sea, you know, because
You can float?
Yeah.
Don't say yeah, and then we have to go jump in there to see it, you know.
Look at it. What is possible by there? Most of the side, this is the side the current coming from, you know.
Yeah.
So going downstream, you know.
Yeah.
This is the deepest side in the river, right?
So you can jump, you can dive and just swim out.
And just swim out.
Yeah, to
this
the
side.
shallow.
You won't be able to swim out and realize where the rock is.
Yeah.
So yeah,
If I don't make it, Kino is here. He should run.
Remember now, in my viewers, I'm out all D, Team D. I'm out in my camouflage because you know I'm here to protect her. You know I kind of step up the security, but I never bring my life jacket. You know to save her on the other side. So we're giving her.
more better for you to go upstream.
Yeah.
There's another part up there.
Yeah.
So you can see exactly where you're coming from.
Oh, so you can go upstream.
Right. They can
Go upstream as well. You can go upstream.
right.
You want to go upstream?
You have to come so far this side.
Alright. Let's go walk upstream, D. Oh, walk upstream. Mark. So we have to protect her. Can't make anything happen to this.
She knows how to swim, she said. She's in the Olympics.
That's what she says. Miss, my head drop. Cause Mark, I forgot to jump in there. Even though I can't swim in, but I can't swim to save somebody because they're probably going to pull me down with them. So I don't know that part. Because I can swim, but to save someone while they're pulling me down.
You also drown, so you don't know how to swim.
Yeah,
also.
so I can't swim to save myself, but I can't swim to save someone else. Because if these gonna pull me down with her,
You're both going
how am
down.
I gonna float like that? Eh?
Let's
Oh,
see.
look over here, it's nice. Look.
Not doing what? No littering.
Oh. Blessings, brother. Oh, yeah, so good as well too.
Blessed
Oh,
love.
the river na-
Jamaican terms. Blessed love.
So the
The
river.
river is clean so that I don't feel itchy. You know some rivers are dirty. Woo! Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, man, it's nice.
Swim! I need to hold this from here.
You see me? Over there, when you go over there, so you know, Clarendon, you're there.
Where, Stream Palm?
Yeah, and you're there in Manchester now, right?
Oh, can we cross the border?
Yeah, can you cross the border?
Okay.
I understand.
Yeah, I like as a still, you know?
So you're not swimming?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm gonna swim.
You're not swimming,
Yeah, I'm swimming there.
but you guys are dressed like this.
Yeah, because show him so we are walk, come over here, come look. Somebody say come look and then I forgot a car to go and change. Yeah. So may I make you enjoy yourself first?
My phone is in here. Can I take it?
Sure.
Yeah. You know guys, it's raining, you know. We come and start rain, but nevertheless you can see people having fun seeing me. So just tell me what you think in the comment section, you know, because this is one of the rivers them that we checked out for the members them. And I like this nature vibe, right D?
Yeah,
You like
it's the
it?
best.
Because D reach and D just want to go swim. She don't want to go check out the next one here. She just want to swim. You know, so
We'll have to swim in both.
yeah, so if we go swimming board.
Well, the river gone way down, you know.
We that way though. But you have some deep parts and things.
Yeah, but you see me, but alright. And you have a next part.
Yeah, that is it. So you can do that?
That's what I want to do.
Alright then do that. She's getting change.
Go change and come.
I said, when I see you come, I say, look like an hour.
Yeah, man, come on. Are you wait for me to go change before you go in the water?
Yeah.
Alright, then we go change.
Go change and come. You ready, right?
Eh?
You ready,
I don't
right?
think I'm gonna
Look
swim.
up in a what?
No, you can't, Mark. Come on.
Yeah, but
to swim.
Yeah,
No,
me
I'm
too.
swimming shorts and swimming now.
Okay, Kino, you can go change. Where's my... Do you think it's safe to leave my bag in the car?
Let's see everybody.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Or we just leave it where I can see?
Me not going in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not going in water?
Rose for your back.
Okay, go change and come then.
I'm going to change and come back. You should have been in the life jacket to see you then, but I'm going to change. Mark, you swimming?
No, man, no. So
No.
Go.
What's wrong, go on.
Alright, yeah, people, so our extended family, so I want to tell me what you think, and I really like this river. So I go all the way up, you know, but it's too bad, it's raining, but it's still nice here, see me. So this is one of the rivers, you know, and you got stream palms, we're going to take out, but you can sit here, we can come hang out with the team, you know, we can cook and everything, you know, so it's really a nice vibes. Yeah, it's really a nice vibe, so I'm really like here, so, you know, because Jamaica walk by tell me about this river. I'm saying this is best river. So big up yourself, Jamaica walk by, you know, him tell me about this one, and say, Kino, this are the best river where I like to come all the time. So we're here, you know, and I like the vibes as well too. Also stream palm, we're gonna check that out as well too, so you can tell me what you think also. So we don't want to stay here if you get too dark as well. So it's like you walk across a train track. Walk across a train track and you park across the road over there. Yeah, so $200 for parking. Yes, you know, $200 for parking as well too. So as I can see, there's a bus. There's a bus here. You know, bring some lot of people come here, come enjoy the river. But as you can see, it's a wet day. It's a wet day down here. It's very wet. Yeah man, it's very wet down here today. So you know Jamaica? Yeah. Kino life in Jamaica. Yeah, Kino life in Jamaica.
What you do? Just content create just vlogs?
Yeah, vlogs and
Come back to say hi to your vlog.
come, big up yourself and give you a shout out. Don't be shy.
Well, I know. Anyways, guys, you know it's your girl Abby and your girl J Healy. You know y'all can hit me up on the gram at unique UNXQUE.
Go on.
J Healy at Remalia _. That's it.
That's it. Don't be shy. So how is the river? How are you enjoying?
It was good. It was good.
It was good.
Yeah. Wait a sec. KINO.
Yeah, live in Jamaica.
Gonna have an Instagram.
Yeah, this
The
same thing.
name?
Yeah. You see, come up on YouTube. Come know you must have data.
KINO.
Yeah.
Live in Jamaica.
Live.
LIFE.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't tell me say that on data, you know, because you're supposed to pop up already up on your phone. You know, you can't look so nice and hot.
But I have data.
You have data. You want to give yourself a shout out to my friend. Big up yourself, man. Hi. So I'm leaving already. Where you lot coming from? Where's this bus coming from?
What kind of
Town?
content create you do? Like
Everything. Everything.
vlogs,
Yeah, everything.
mukbang and something like that?
Everything. You know, we even build house for people as well too. You see, yeah, we do our charity as well too. We build a house and them thing for people, you know. So it's a mix of everything.
Continue and I must make it.
Yeah, man. So check it out, you will see it, you will enjoy it, so you will definitely see yourself. You know. So big up on yourself here. You know. So yeah, so as I say, they're from town, you know, come down here to enjoy the river as well too. So I'm gonna change, you know, cause they over there away from me, so I'm gonna change and go check out this river, you know, have a swim. Yeah, so I'm change now. You know, put on the water shoes. You know the thing goes. Heading back over to the river. So ready. Yes guys, I hope you lot following T on our channel. Check her out. You know, check her. Oh, jump. What is there? She can't see. She a drone. You're droning. She's droning. You're droning.
Yes.
I'm help you. Whee. Was it cool? As a Superman. You never do. You gotta jump there.
Jump again. Is that YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Something good here, so look.
Where?
Turn off what it?
Yeah. Eh?
Hello.
Hello. So the I got jump. There we are. The I got jump. Watch the jump now. Deal with the jump. You okay? No.
I'm dead.
You're dead. Hey, lads, deal with the jump to make it. Mark, you're missing it, Mark, man. So how is it? Tell me, how is it?
Help me with that other camera. Let me enjoy first of all.
Go on with it. Direct on?
Too low here.
I'm gonna go check this.
It's too low.
Yeah, it's lower here.
Yeah.
You lick up your foot?
Yeah, because it's too low. Hey guys, it's so sweet. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't believe Mark, our friend, is watching us. Huh? Okay, recording to you want to go and get tea for?
Yes, they can swim, so you can save yourself. She can save herself right there.
You can't float.
Yes, she can float. You can float.
Who?
You.
Are you sure?
Well, you're doing it. So I guess you can save yourself. Oh, a lot. Right now, Dee can save herself, so you know, say she really. Mark, you okay? You're stuck?
Right, I'll move no further.
I'll go.
Well,
Is it really shallow or no?
it's shallow, it's shallow.
Because there's kids there.
No man,
Yeah,
shallow man, just
shallow.
walk how you feeling.
Walk, man, shallow.
It's really shallow man, don't worry.
I'll take my time.
It is shallow man, it's shallow.
Shallow, let's walk out there, man.
Mark, you going in? Alright.
That's my whole Jamaica experience.
Mark,
Just put in the water.
looks like Mark don't like the water, you know. You're not leaving? So you're not going to the next one?
This looks like this.
Yeah. They're all good.
Oh, so good.
It's good. So up here, so you can go up the stream as well.
Oh yeah, to jump?
No, just to like to look. You can go up the stream. Oh. Yeah. You're so deep?
Yeah?
You're so deep? Yes, not deep.
No, not really deep. That's right, you see me?
I can't even tell.
No, come in and chuck off down here, so I not go down here, so I go chuck off.
Yeah.
You see me? I remember I tell you so which part me there the river run round me have spring, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, spring there behind me too.
Sure, I
The
know.
river water. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Direct, yeah. I treat them. And so you go, man. No, man, it don't stop. Yeah. Red I blink. Like the battery are done. Ah, come in, Kina. Kina. What's the great swimmer? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, swimmer. Easy swimmer. But you are dead though. Tina, but you are dead. Alright, come in. Just touch the screen, okay. Ready? You're deaf. Out there. Yeah. Me for tell you.
There's a Michael Fell.
We are left here down here.
She don't want to leave.
Okay, guys. Kin, why is it that I don't see my camera taking good pictures like yours? Why?
The camera
The setting.
or the settings? So this is called Night River. So now at Night River, Dee don't want to leave the river. So you know it goes already. So she don't want to leave the river right now. She's married to the river. You know.
I love it.
We wish she was here earlier, but it's just one of those. But we have to come back again, right, Dee? So tomorrow we have to come back and check.
Tomorrow I need to come early, 10 a.m. in the morning.
Check out the next one.
Yeah.
Is the river nice like this in Kenya? Nightlife. You're gonna build a house for you right here, so they're gonna build a house for you right here. Can't believe some Mark not take a swim. The Mark not even one swim. Yeah. Yeah. Swim team. At the swim team.
Trust me, like I'm laughing.
So swimming. I don't know.
Me too, I don't know. Teach me how to swim.
Oh,
Please.
you can swim. I saw you swimming. Yes, you wasn't swimming what you were doing. Yes, you were swimming.
Send you this you know, you love somebody, you just love somebody, you know, you're gonna cherish that person. You're gonna cherish that person, you know? Yes.
That is it.
That is it. Let's see how it goes.
Let's see. So they got the shrimp, yeah?
Clara, what you say about the shrimp?
No.
Alright, yeah man, take care.
Saya. You got saya. Halalo.
No callaloo at this time. It will be beef with cheese and chicken.
Oh, so no patty for me.
You don't eat meat, you don't eat
No.
meat. Can you get a veg? Yes, Michelle.
Oh,
Okay.
Michelle, why are you trying to break my heart?
I don't know.
And you have my mom name, Michelle.
Oh my god.
Yes,
Michelle.
Yes. You try to break my heart. So let me get the veg, beef, and chicken.
One beef and a chicken. And a cocoa bread. You try cocoa bread with the patty?
Yeah. Patty on the bun.
Yeah, in the bread.
In the bread. Yeah. Okay.
Cocoa bread. Yes.
I'll have that with mayo.
Yeah, you can get the cocoa bread with your patty.
You want the cocoa bread with it?
Patty and put it in. Alright?
Yeah. What about you? Just want a patty, or you want to put it in the bread? Like,
I don't know what's the best, but you know, me, I have no idea.
Alright, I'm going to give you a bread also. So you're going to try that. Alright? So the next time I see you, you're going to tell me what it is like. Alright?
okay. Come here, nice friend. Come give yourself a shout out. Come here. Kino life in Jamaica. Let me get water for me, please. Yeah. What are you drinking? Pineapple. So I want to eat my shape so good. Why everybody have all of this bunker around here? Come here. So all the shapes are good. I want to eat down here. Come here. Let me know. What I go? Come on, no one not eat them. Shake it. Yeah. How will you get that body there? Oi. I want to get them body there. Are the food down here? Is it the food?
Yes, it's the food.
Are the
We eat
food?
good food.
So tell me what somebody can tell the girl them what to eat.
Chicken back and sun caramel.
That bad. Look there, everybody. What on? Look at the jeans fit them right. You see it? Every pant. That's why I know we're tight. Look there. Whoa, mama. What should I have? Be a miss cock up in here. Have you played Dandy Shandy? So I play Dandy Shandy when I grew up, right? Cock up is at 10. See you. Cock up is at 10. The camera synchronized. Of course, the camera synchronized her with her, right?
I don't even know where you're chatting because
Yes, Kino Life in Jamaica. Come check it out.
See like I got for it.
Yeah, you're going worldwide. And she, come here, the YouTuber in
make
Kenya.
sure you don't miss that one. I
Yeah,
need to
Mr.
see
Come
her
here,
come,
Nigga Eye.
right?
Come here, Nigga Eye.
Oh, okay.
Nigga Eye, come here, please. Oh. I'll be watching. Why come here? Why are we? Yes. Where's that? Miss Grippy. Miss Grippy. Oi. Like one of them grip me right and hold me tight. Where your phone? I get your phone now.
No, you're gonna write it on this.
Okay, write it now. So write on yours as well. She's gonna write it for me.
YouTube, TikTok, just take whichever.
So alright, give yourself a shout out so anybody can follow you all the time. I know you like what I go on do. Talk it true. No man like what I go on, man. Isn't it? See that. Alright ladies, I'm gonna enjoy my party before it get cold, yeah? Yes. Remember Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino Life?
In Jamaica. K-I-N-O. So write it down, get the pen and write it down so you can go subscribe. Very good. K-I-N-O.
K-I-N-O.
Life in Jamaica.
One word, right?
No man, the space here is just in
But
Jamaica.
once you type in it, I go come up.
Yeah, in Jamaica. Yeah, once I start typing,
Yeah, it will come up.
see it pop up.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Well, it's a rainy day. It's been raining a lot. Yeah, so finally now we reach at Stream Palms, as you can see. So we have a choice, you know, so as I say, I want you lot to choose between this river or St. Toulis River. So that's why we've done two videos. So just leave St. Toulis, so now we're here at Stream Palms. Now let's check out Stream Palms. It's really nice here at Stream Palms. So right here is a more developed. Yeah,
Even the grass, enough space to sit,
yeah,
and
I can play football up there.
yeah.
Down here you have bar and cook space as well too.
They have some accommodation here now.
It's not ready yet.
Oh, not ready yet.
He's building one right on the river.
Okay.
So I spoke to him and hopefully he's gonna be here today. But I guess the weather kind of scared a lot of people. Okay,
Come out.
yeah. So you know, whenever it's raining in Jamaica, especially, people don't really go nowhere at all. But if they have to go to work, they will go to work. But most time when them see the rain, them like, do I have to go to work? You know, but this is how it is in Jamaica. So Dee is here. She's loving the rain weather.
Yeah, and it's so green. One of the things that I never expected about Jamaica is how green it is. Yeah, it's so green.
All right.
Look,
so,
look.
Yeah. So with here now is developed. You have changing rooms. So you have restroom here. You have a restroom. This is a male restroom here, as you can see. And you have the female restroom here.
And the change.
And you also have changing room as well, where you can change.
Yeah.
Same way.
But no shower.
No shower, but you have a pipe around here where you can wash off your feet. So it's all green. So we're at the top, so the river is down there. So far, right here, you know, is a better look. You know, it's a better look here for bringing the team. So you know, it's during the week, so you know nobody now gonna be here. So we're gonna be the only one here. So hopefully the owner will be here because I've found him, and so hopefully we can see him. So but otherwise, yeah, and normally guys it's like 500 Jamaican dollar for coming. Yeah, 500 Jamaican dollar per person. So when we enter the gate, it open, and so far me not hear one sound of no one, but I see a van right there. So yeah, you see a van right there. So but the owner, him lives on the property, him lives down there. His name is Strength of a Man. But here will be nice. Here will definitely be nice. So you can hear the river run down there. So yes guys, so you know, so now I get change, you know, let's take off them here and get ready and showing around some more what's the setting and what's the place like. So come on, our extended families, our viewers, so let's choose between this river or St. Toulis River, you know. But I have a feeling everyone's gonna say Stream Palm, you know. So I already spoke to the owner and him say yes, he will allow us to come and cook, you know, because it's not every river you can go and cook in Jamaica. But this is the reason why you have to go around and check which river, you know. So a river like this, we have to pay to come in. Usually they don't allow you to cook, you know. But I spoke to him and I explained to him what we're doing and everything, and him give us a thumbs up. So if we're gonna come, he's gonna allow us to can cook. So that's one of the gifted part and a thankful part. So stay tuned. Let me change off, but you know, say as I say, the rain. So you know, when the river come down, it's not going to be clear or it's shown or it's supposed to look. So it's not going to be that pretty, you know, because no one's here because of rain. So you know, the water color will change. So we see what. We have to come back again so we can see when the water clear and pretty another day. But I think this will be the spot. So here, as them say, you have the bathroom up there. You have D here.
Hey guys, so this is a continuation of the previous part, and because of the rains is not as per my expectations, but either way we still want to jump in. Yeah.
So it's because of the rain why it's not showing the beauty of it, because you know the river come down, the dirt of the hills then was run down literally in it.
Yeah.
So as you can see, going down into the stream palms, yeah, it's a different total settings from St. Toulis. It's totally minus step slippery. It's totally different from St. Toulis. But here you have the where they cook food and sell food. They cook and sell food here. Over there you have the bar as well too. You got the bar. So over here is where they cook and sell. I don't know, say today is during the week, so it's not open today for anything. Blessed Fire as well. So this is where they sell food. Blessed aisle, you know. So It's just one of them days there. You can get food here to buy or anything. This is the bar. You have a bar spot. You know, as you can see, the shelf is empty because of rain. What is going on today? But the fridge them got stuff inside of it. So this is the bar here. So it's a nice little chill spot. You know, I said at Stream Palms, okay, you know the river go that way. So as you can see, the river is going that way, and you can see the color of the water change because of the rain. You know, so it's not clear or it's supposed to, but normally when it's clear, it's like blue. You know, so it's part of the blue owl. So this is the bar here and everything. So cool. When it rain, yeah, when the river to come down, yeah, that's why that's how the color change, right? Because normally it's what, blue, crystal clear. So because of the rain, because I'm planning to bring my like a bus, a load of people from down by Kingston side. Okay. So I'm just show this to the viewers them, so them can choose if this alright for me to bring them. So but so far, you know, I get good news about it. You know, I came here, come check it out. But I like what I see, but I come when it's raining, you know.
Yeah. The wrong timing.
Yeah, that's come the wrong timing, but
if they want to see when it's in good condition, they can look on TikTok.
On TikTok?
Yeah, look for Stream Palms.
Yeah.
And you see many videos of Stream Palms.
Yeah, because that's where I see the videos them as well too, on TikTok, and I check it out on YouTube. I'm like, wow, I like the look, you know. Yeah, like, look like the blue hole, blue, you know, water clear.
You can go right up the line, you know, look, right?
Go right up.
I wanted to fall on something.
Yeah, so I'm gonna check out you have a little fall, so I'm gonna check out the fall, but as I like the settings, you know, you have here where they cook, and you have the bar over there, and them also them play music here as well, right? Yeah. And everything, so it's a nice vibe. But despite the color of the water, just don't worry about that, you know, because when, you know, when it rains, the river come down. So you know, when it come down, these is what run down in the river, you know, the clear mud. So you're walking down another steps, going down to the river. Wow, going down to the river. So normally right here that'll be blue, clear. So it have the falls then and everything. The river running right up, right down there. Oops, I have to watch the step. So the river go, I come from up there, and it go right down there. So because of the mud, it's very slippery, you know, because of the mud.
Yeah, because of the mud.
Yeah.
And because it's a rainy season.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's a fall down there.
Oh, a fall?
Yeah, a mini fall.
Oh, okay. So let's go.
Let's check it out. Yeah. Check out the mini fall part.
Okay.
Whoa, I walk too much at the edge. So you have all this way you can swing out as well too.
Yeah, I want to try this. I don't know how deep it is though.
Right there, I don't think it's deep.
Yeah.
But we're gonna try it. So here's another fall here. That's your right. Nice, clear, you know, settings where you can sit down, families, eat, cook, you know, find a nice cook spot and cook. So here we're heading up the stream, more stream. So imagine on a sunny day, D.
Yeah, it's so good.
On a sunny day, the whole of here so that's nice.
Shade.
Nice shade, the sun will shine bright. Look at the river here. Wow. I think this is the spot for the dream team.
Yeah.
This is the spot.
Wait, that is it.
I think that is it.
Yeah.
B said that is it. You know, check it out on TikTok or YouTube, Stream Farm.
Oh, it's famous to get on TikTok.
Yeah. So you can see how it really looks. So you have more fall here. You have another fall here. Yeah, it's super, you know, because true. But this is what when it rains, it just run down in the river. This is the spot. So you have look, you have the seated area where you can sit down, the tables. Yeah, so nice. It is nice here. So this is where the Airbnb is building right here.
Oh, okay. It's gonna be nice.
Yeah. So this is, so you imagine the Airbnb right next to this, right here. Now the rain is coming down. Strength. Oh, them chop down this tree. Look at that far, guys.
It's nice. I need to get some footage a little bit.
Yeah. This
How you
is
doing?
this is Strength.
What is the name? Strength.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Very
He's the
same.
founder of here, you know.
Yeah.
Also live here.
Thank
You
you.
know, she's all the way.
B
Yeah, I'm Wango from Kenya.
from Kenya?
Yeah.
Ship man again, Kenya. in the house.
Thank you.
In the house. So
Kenya.
he's the founder of here, man. And as I say, we come down from a day when rain and the
Rain
river
and
come
we
down.
can't do too much.
Yeah.
Operation kind of on a low, but you know, at least you get a good chance to have seen it by yourself.
Yeah.
Not too crowded and all of that. So
Yeah.
you know,
Wish we would come on the day when it's crystal clear and blue.
directly. But we're going natural in everything we do, so you can see it, the natural stuff.
Yeah.
It's all natural, man. It's all natural.
All natural.
Wow, this will
Rustic.
be a nice Airbnb here.
Yeah,
Really
that's
nice.
that's our intention. That's what we're doing right now.
Yeah.
Airbnb. Oh, you know, gotta have hand for people.
I can say that too. I can say that too, because believe me, everybody come with this, along with all of this. This gonna be crowd. This gonna be
Yeah, man.
like that.
Of course.
Yeah.
Nature, you know, so imagine you're there right next to a river, you know, asleep. All you can hear is that noise.
Yeah.
Right. That kind of soothing.
The
now.
best.
And you wake.
You can just imagine you have a natural jacuzzi to jump off. in
Oh,
anyway,
gosh.
so,
Oh,
you know,
gosh. Because this so
nothing
is not
artificially
deep.
made up, just natural. Yeah.
So right there is not deep, though.
No man, it's about your maybe to your shoulder height, maybe.
Shoulder.
Not that deep.
Yes, my shoulder eyes. I test it out same way.
And the whole thing, it goes into the Milk River bath, so it have a lot of mineral.
Oh.
It's stay cool to preserve the mineral.
Okay,
You know, so
okay.
it's a part of the mineral bath.
So it's very cool now, though.
I wouldn't say very. You know what happened, to tell you the truth? It maintain the warmness and the coolness. Because no matter how the weather get, it still keep the same temperature.
Same way.
No
Yeah,
matter how hot the time is, it keep the same temperature.
yeah.
You
Yeah.
understand? So for that reason, I wouldn't find it much cooler than the ordinary right now.
Yeah. Okay, it's like gonna be a paradise when everything is up and running, you know.
Yes, man.
It's like a
Nice little
paradise.
piece of gem, you know.
I like the work we are put in same way, you know, step
I
by
used to
step.
do a little thing down this, a little foundation.
Yeah.
I put in a big, eating area, a dining area.
Yeah.
But I want to put in a slide straight from the dining room straight into the water.
To the water.
So I'm putting up a slide behind it, you know,
Okay.
water slide.
Water slide.
Yeah.
I think that'd be great as well too. Right, Dee, what you think about it?
It's such an amazing project. It will be really nice for people to come and enjoy.
Yes, nice. Lovely, man. Lovely place. When I see it, I'm falling in love. I'm gonna say, this is where I should take the team, right?
Yeah,
You
sure.
reckon? Yeah. So this
Which direction? Sorry. Which direction you guys walk when you're coming up? Back here
Yeah, that. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
true.
to get a better view.
Yeah, we
So
get
you
the
could
view.
just do both view, you know?
Yeah.
Front and back.
Yeah, so we come from that way, come up. Couldn't miss this view.
You understand?
Couldn't miss this view. And see the sky kind of get clear.
Clear up, yeah.
Clear up, so it's a good sign. You know, so hopefully we can get something done. See me, but we still I go swim, still I go check it out. Here is not where normally strength will allow others to come and cook, but him give me the go ahead and say, well, young man,
Yeah.
you can come, you know, and let's keep
So
the place.
you're doing what you're doing for a worthy cause, so I'm basically with that. So.
Yes, you know, so
that
the good
reason.
work, the charity that we're doing, helping out the people, them,
Yeah.
you know, strength. So they're doing a good thing, so I will help you out, but because since you're helping out the less fortunate, let me help you then with the members and can come and them can cook and everything. So when them come, I will clean up back after we, you know, leave nothing. Same way with the seat, leave it same way, we're all good. You know, so this will be the spot that hopefully when I get no rain, you know, all the rain might cool on by then. I don't
But
mind.
they say we are a part of Kenya, right?
Yeah, Africa.
Jamaicans.
Yeah, we're part of Kenya, right?
Yeah, man.
We're part of Kenya. Jamaicans.
Most Jamaicans,
That's from
our ancestors from Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we always embrace it in a different way, you know, because we are family from way back.
Way back. That's why somebody say, Kenya, you know, say and D kind of look alike.
Yeah, that's where the resemblance. That's true though.
No, you
I
see
wasn't even looking at it, but now I see.
Yeah, you see it? Probably a shot, fourth
For
parents.
real.
Fourth parents there, generation there, you know?
Kenyan.
Kenyans, man. So you said, you're going to take a swim?
Yeah, it's a beautiful place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you walk this way, come up, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No, sorry, it's a day like this, but you know, every day is a day.
Yeah.
Rainy day, dry day, still a day.
Still a day. I got a video with him then. Not chill nobody.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that? Carry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.